Ahoy, hoy. Welcome back to Gavin's Grotty Guitars. It's beginning of July now, 2021, and I've sort of run out of guitars of my own. So people have heard about this, and I have been gifted back guitars I've lent and given to people over the years. So I have to sort of review them. I don't know what they are off the top of my head. I do know what this is, right. This is, it says Rocket Special. It's a strap type, black strapped, black pickups, mismatched volume and two tones. Nice rosewood fingerboard type thing. So a bit of a spiky headstock. Black plastic and black metal on the back. So what is it? Oh, and we've got a trem. What this is a guitar made for Marshall. Marshall quite rightly was seeing that other people were making a bit of money out of selling packs of guitars with an amp and a strap and a lead in it. But their business is making amplifiers, not making guitars. So they bought in these. They didn't, and I think quite cleverly, they didn't name them Marshall guitars. Because you don't want, if for example the guitars are complete rubbish, you don't want to damage your own brand. So you call them something else. You might have colours similar to your own, but you don't want to damage your brand with something that isn't your main source of income. So these are starter guitars, strap type, 25 and a half inch. This one has the wonderful phrase hot output humbucker. So I'll be the judge of that in a second. Let's see what we've got. Looks like medium frets. I like the look. We've got black hardware mostly. So this is the neck pickup. As usual, the electronics always let these things down, don't they? This is neck and mid. Not bad, not awful. Mid, oh that's a nice one. Let's try mid and bridge. and just the bridge. You can immediately hear that that is a lot higher output, and that's got a nice humbucker sound to it. And if little Johnny's got his first new Marshall, well, I'll just turn on the Marshall governor pedal here, crank gain to full. It's all a bit tinny. Well, that's what it is. It's made in China, cheap for a pack, nothing remarkable really. It's got a nice scarf joint in the angle end, angled backwards, which is a nice touch. Paint job's a bit amateurish. You can see lots of orange peel going on there, but for an entry level beginner's guitar that comes in a pack, apart from the action being a bit high and it needing a setup, there is nothing wrong with that. That's a good thing. I picked it up for less than 50 quid, and that's what it's worth. Less than 50 quid. So 2004 is the date on the neck here. If you need a cheap starter guitar, Rocket Special. It's cheap. Until next time, subscribe, watch more videos, and enjoy the cats. Toodle pip.